Yard Style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It's a beautiful day, guys. Welcome back to Yard Style Fishing Adventure. Alright, now today we actually are going to do some spear fishing. We haven't gotten a chance to do any spear fishing in a while now. So today I am very excited to see what I can go out there and find. Um, but just check out the water a while ago. But just go check out the water a while ago. The water nice and flat. It might be a little bit white, but we still are going to work with that today. I'm very excited, guys, to see what I'm going to catch today. Hopefully I catch something nice. Alright, so stay tuned for this adventure. It is going to be epic. Alright, yeah, man. Bam.
Alright guys, so here I am taking my first dive. Some nice colorful fish. So right here, people, is a small stingray. It's lying away in the grass. Seems to be getting angry at me for messing around with it. Now this is a small Caribbean reef pufferfish floating away on the ocean floor. Now right here I decided on just taking a dive. I find a spot right between this reef. Just chill out and wait to see if any big fish would swim over. While I was waiting, there was a lot of colorful tropical fishes. The small yellow fish with the blue stripes, those are cleaner fish. Right here I saw some squids. I took one, a nice shot right there. And this squid I actually gave it to one of the fishermen on the beach that does handline fishing at nights.
Guys, we just saw a dolphin. Just a swim past a while ago. Couldn't turn on the camera fast enough to catch him. Wow.
Now this jack was moving fast, so I took the shot, didn't have time to turn the camera on, and this is my first fish. So right here I decided on taking another dive to check out this cave to see if I can find anything inside there. It seems to be empty, but I'm gonna chill out for a little bit and wait to see if anything would come around. I was down there for over a minute, wasn't seeing anything, so I'm gonna head back to the surface. By this time I got the low battery signal on my camera, which has been an issue from the other day, so I need to work on getting a new camera. Here I saw a barracuda. I pull up on the gun to get some more power. Unfortunately, by the time I made the dive, the battery died. I managed to spare the fish fortunately and did get some recording on land.
Alright guys, so I'm back out of the water, you know, one thing. I find one little barra and one small jack. So what me I go do right now, me I go make up one fire up on the beach and me I go roast them up, alright? So yeah man, that me I do for today, catch and cook on the beach, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned for that guys. May I show you what me catch right now. Yeah guys, so see the barracuda there when me catch on the small jack, so yeah man. Scale them off you know and put them on the fire. Make up a grill and put them on it and thing, alright? So stay tuned for the action guys. Them life here, you know. You can just get up, jump in the water, catch two fish and make up one fire and roast them. Just nice, you know. It's an experience we would have liked everybody could have tried like doing this. Like just go hunt your own food and just make up a fire and just deal with it naturally, you know. Right on the beach. It's a great vibe, you know. Yeah, man. Scale up the barracuda here now. I don't know if me alone can eat off these peeps. But I know me I roast everything. Somebody must pass by if you help me. And guys, if you reach this far in the video right now, please hit the thumbs up button before you actually finish the video. That means a lot, you understand? And if you haven't subscribed as yet guys, please remember to subscribe, alright? Trying to get this channel to 1K, we're almost there. So let's do the right thing and get it up there, alright guys? Yeah man. so me I go look some stick you know for make up the fire. Then me I go get some other stick to set up the grill and thing and get the ball a roll, alright? The fire. Stick them not dry. I go lay up my fire, you know. Get some real dry stick. Wagwan! NASA links ya people. Just a roll in and thing. Where say you go out there this morning? Yeah peeps, so scrape off the stick them now. Put up on the grill. Cause we don't know what crawl upon them or anything like that. So we get off the skin off of it, see? Make it look like that. Yeah. If you happen to find yourself in a spot where you have to hunt your own food and cook, you can actually make a grill like this, alright? Yeah man. Just get 4 pieces of stick with some crook on it. 4 pieces of stick with some crook on it. Not have to be straight or anything like that. And you just drive them down on the ground. And then actually get 2 for run crossway. Like so. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And then you run the other rest them like this. Make the grill come right up. So I make up my grill a lily. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we are make up with grill and one thing. Alright, now peeps seat there. Yeah, just put your lay your stick them cross. Like that. Yeah, have a perfect grill right there. So there it is people, all you need now. Make up the fire underneath it. And light it up and put on the fish them. Yeah, so that is the grill peeps. See there? Yeah peeps, let's see if we can catch the fire now. So I put 1 slice that is small. Yeah. Alright, so I use some Maggi seasoning and me have the Maggi cube. I don't know if you know this, but it's a Maggi cube. I use one of this as well. Up on it. As well as we have some butter. Put some butter on the jar. I put some in the belly of this too. So, Maggi seasoning. Seasoning I group them. Belly. cube now. Actually, that little cube that hold whole heap of seasoning. Whole heap. So, yeah. Yeah man, so I get them on the grill now anytime soon. And then you are going to see the cooking process, alright? Oh, the butter, I never put no butter in it. Now I'm going to use a lot of butter. Just a little bit. I cut my garbage in there, so. Oh, now a little bit. About see that, Lily? Alright, now I'll put them on the grill now, peeps. So, this is the barra. This is barra right there, so. And then, this is the jack. See man right there, so make them take time and go and roast, you know. Yeah. Here we go, peeps. Nice little session I go on there, so. Fire alright. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to put on my shirt and things because out here kind of warm. The sun kind of warm in my back and things, so I'm going to put on my shirt. Yeah, and the fish them up on the fire I go and cook. So, yeah man, we soon get down to the part of the day where I wait from so long. When the fish them ready and can dive in, you know. Yeah. But right now people we there at St. Mary. Right over beach with there right now I do the cook up. Yeah. Beach nice and quiet today. Not a lot of people out here. Normally you would see people on the beach and thing. Not overcrowded or anything like that, but normally people would are there and thing, but just the fishermen them there go and chill back and 1 and 2 people pass through and thing, you see me? So me there go and roast up the fish them people. And right over there so me I look now. Let me zoom it in. Yeah. That's the rain over battle site. Way back in the days them. Before we even dream for born like enough away. Or most away if not all. A war did go on up there so between the English and the Spanish them. That are the history where them give it. Yeah, so over there saw the Ryan over battle site. Over there actually develop you know and have a lot of big house and thing up there as you can see. And them have I think a museum over there or something where them have the cannon them and thing over there. Yeah, so that's the Ryan over battle site people. Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so I get the first turn. Make some of my butter soak in the other side as well. First little turn there. And the barrel look good so far. The jack a turn same way. Yeah. So that's our first turn people. Yeah, that side there look nice, you know. Yeah man. Because the barrel kinda long, I have to turn him slant way upon the grill. Because the wind blow the heat that way. So I want to get all of it a roast evenly, you know. So that's why I turn it like that. Yeah peeps, but it look good. So far so good. Alright now guys, so I walk with my foil paper today. I mean did save back some of the butter because I want to melt some butter upon the fish them. So what I going to do now, I going to put the fish them in the foil paper, put the butter upon it, wrap it, and just rest it upon the fire for a little bit because the fish them roast, you know, one thing. Just rest it upon the fire, make the butter melt in it, and then you know time to go, alright? So me have my foil paper here. That one long because that one have for the barra. Get my knife. So what I go do, I go rub little butter on the file paper first so that the fish not stick on it, alright? Yeah. Rub the butter on the file paper. I'm going to do this with the barracuda because I want to put some butter, some whole heap of butter on it. Alright? Side. Fish. Yeah, peeps. See me? Nice and roast. Press him on it right there, so. Butter. Some slice, you know. And people, when we out on the beach and a cook and thing, we don't have no special way how we cook. We just whatever come to we mind, we just do it. We don't have the bag of seasoning and the bag of vegetables and all of that. So whatever come to we mind, I just that we work with. So and this me I work with right now. I feel like say putting some butter all over the fish I gonna make it nice. So and that me I work with. Alright, that's how we do it on the beach. Alright, wrap it here now. Alright, see it here. So now I'm gonna make it stay long. For 3 minutes and then take it off back once the butter melt, alright? Yeah man. Yeah peeps, I'm not even gonna give it 3 minutes neither. Because as you can see, me put it directly on the fire now. So it's gonna melt quick and fast. Alright? Yeah. So soon ready. Yeah peeps, so I get them off the fire now. You can see what I go on, alright? First, take off the jack, small jack. Well nice. Yeah man. There. On my file paper. Right there so. Baracuda, yeah. Well hot. You can see how it look inside and now. Ah, look wicked peeps. Look bad, well bad. Right, see the people? Well nice and pretty. You I imagine that taste right now. Yeah. That's the look when we want, people. Look on all the little butter here. Look on all the butter in there, so. Nice. So you know right now, without further ado, I'm going to mash up this. Put the little jack one side, they say if I nothing, I wrap it up and carry it home. I'm going to cut this. I cut it up down here so. I cut it in a two. Should in case the belly full, you can wrap up other piece and bring home to see and wear. Alright. First piece of meat. See what I go on. I want to see what I go on, you know. I wish to on that. This, or this, yeah. Like that. Right, see there? Hold down that. See how it go now, peeps. Bad. And the butter just make the meat taste nice and smooth, you know? Yeah, man. Nice, man. Dip it in the butter. Would that come like garlic butter or something like that? Look at that. Sweet. You know, so when I finish this now, people, I'm going to pack up my thing them. I go wash off and go home, you know? Because one little place around on the beach so you can wash off and things. So go around, you go all wash off and then go home. Yeah, peeps, so shell down half of it already. I go up on the next piece here now. I still go cut it again because I'm not sure I can eat off everything because my belly kind of feel foolish already. So I see if I can work on that part, yeah. The peeps full of flesh and everything. Yes, good. You need to try this, guys. Get a fish. If I haven't buy you, have to buy it if you can't shoot it. Get your seasoning. Go up on the beach. Make up a little fire. Roast it. Sit down and just chill back. Listen to the waves them are rolling and thing and just go and mash up your fish. One cool red stripe beer too. Walk with your cooler. I walk with my cooler but I don't have the red stripe in there. Only thing I'm supposed to have in there is some ginger beer and some water, you know. So that me go mash up when me done. Yeah, but the vibe there. Yeah man, it's a good vibe, you know. It's a good vibe. So try it, people. One of the day them. Yeah, people.
managed to mash up some of it. I have just the tail piece left along with this. So I'm gonna bring them home and probably later I mash them up, you know. But I can't go no further now, my belly full. So I'm gonna wrap up here now. This is the head and the middle bone, piece of the middle bone. So what I'm gonna do with that now, I'm gonna bring it over this and give the dog them. I'm gonna wrap up this here now to bring home with me. I'm gonna eat later, alright? Yeah. Yep, that's it. Yeah guys, so that's it for today. It was great. It was epic guys, I'm telling you. Like, me actually glad to me find a fish where I could have roast and thing, cause this morning I was very excited. Very excited that I got the chance to go do some spear fishing and thing. Even though the water never so clean and all of that, but may I tell you say yeah, me excited. I saw a dolphin this morning, people. And the camera never on, and by the time if it turn on the camera and thing, him just zoop past and gone. So hopefully next time the camera will on so I can get that the lovely footage there so you can see what me actually did see and feel how me did feel glad to see that dolphin there. Yeah. And peeps, you can drop it in the comment like if you want to see me do a specific video, and then I'll try my best to do that video for you, alright? Yeah man, so as I would always say, stay safe, peace out, remember to like the video people, hit the thumbs up button first thing, subscribe people. We're trying to get this channel to 1K, and then from there we move on, alright? So that's our goal for now, 1K. We're almost there people, so let's keep the subscription growing and all of that. Keep sharing the page and all of that, alright? Thanks to all my loyal supporters. Thanks to all the people who just joined the team, the Yard Style team. Once you're part of the Yard Style team, once you subscribe, you're officially a yardie. Doesn't matter where in the world you come from, once you subscribe to this channel, you officially become a yardie. Yeah? So, big up to all my yardies right now. Stay safe throughout the pandemic. Happy New Year once more. Wish for you all the best for this year, alright? Yeah man, so see you next time.